Okay, so I just heard the doorbell, so come on, let's check it out. So if that's the package that I'm expecting. House is empty. Say just me.
We have a package there. Oops. We have a package in there. So let's get it.
Okay, so this is the package that we're waiting for. So let's open this one up. It's really nothing important. Well, yeah, it's really nothing important on this one, but it will help me a lot, especially when changing the oil. It will help me. So I got this from that. So this is the Cusco quick release for the strut bar. So instead of using some tools, so it will be toolless. So let me just open it, remove it from the plastic, remove it, go. So you got some user manual on it. Pretty straightforward. So here they are. So the idea is just put this one out on the actual strut bar, replace the bolt that's in there, put this one in and lock it in place. So come on, let's quickly install the quick release. Okay, so the idea is to put this in here. So I'm not sure if it's gonna reach. I think I got the wrong one, but we'll find out. Come on, let's try it. Let me just put you on the tripod. Okay, so we're gonna need a hex with 5/16 and a 17 mil for this to remove it. So once you loosen it, you can actually just use your hands. Probably loosen it enough. Okay, so you can just use your hands, and then actually you can just pull this. I hope I don't drop it. Okay. See how big this is compared to the one I got. The one I got are also Cusco. They said they will work in here, but look at that. There's a lot of play in there. So we're gonna check. If this actually works. I think it's too small. There you go. This actually reached the other side. even touching it. Put that there. I think I have to loosen the other end just to have some play. So hey, let me loosen it up. Oops. There you go. So all I did is just loosen up the other one. Did not completely remove it. So this goes here in the bottom. The other one goes here in the top. It doesn't work. It goes in. There you go. Try this now. And now, will it fit? I don't think so. Yep, this one is short. I don't know why they advertise this to fit this. So, I lost some money in there, so let me just put this one back. It's a fail. So let's just put this one back on. Hate it. Okay, so very disappointed. So they didn't work. So the quick release are not actually made for this type of strut bar. So even it's the same type OS strut tower bar from Cusco, mine is a type OS type 3 flat type, and those specific quick release, even they are marketed as or advertised as universal, there's a fine print which I just read now doing research why they are too short, because they don't work for the type 3 model of the type OS strut bar tower. So I will contact the seller and try to return them for a refund or exchange it with the right one, but I think there's no quick release for the type S or type 3 type OS strut bar. Well, I just have to deal with it. So every time I do the oil change, I just have to remove it completely using tools instead of a toolless method. Alright, so I hope you learned from my mistake. So before you do it, before you purchase stuff, make sure it works. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel. And don't forget about the giveaway, 500 subscriber giveaway till the end of May. So if I reach 500 subscriber or more, then we'll have a giveaway. Alright, so again, please subscribe, share my channel, and hit that like button. All right? Thank you for watching.